Let's talk a little bit more about the weather. We have made it to Friday. We are looking at the weekend here and this cool down that we keep hearing about diminished, and even the rain that we need.
Yeah, we desperately need the rain. We desperately need to cool down. So how about a win-win for a lot of us? 96 degrees tomorrow with a few isolated showers and storms. And how about this rain chance into the day on Sunday up to a 60% chance. And we're talking about scattered thunderstorms. And we have more wet weather on the way as we look at this daily rain chance, up to an 80% chance of showers and thunderstorms Monday, down to a 60% chance for Tuesday, even Wednesday. So we have some healthy rain chances. Waves of rainfall moving along the stationary front as we go through the next several days. And we're also going to tap into some moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. That will provide us more moisture to work with and have periods of heavy rain, and some flooding is also not out of the question as we move into even the middle part of the week. So let's look at the clock here. This is a look at one of our long-range forecast models into Sunday and beyond. That's Sunday morning at 6. We'll likely have some showers mainly north, but they'll start to trickle in farther to the south as we go through the evening hours most likely. Then as we go into our Monday morning, that's at 9, we'll likely have some heavier showers indicated for some of those yellow colors for parts of the Metroplex. And then as we go through the day, on and off with the variety of rain and even that chance of thunderstorms. I don't believe we'll have a continuous rain over your home from Sunday through Wednesday. I just don't believe that. But there will be periods of heavy rain at times, even for Tuesday morning at 7. Look at that swath of rain right over the Metroplex in most of North Texas with those yellow colors, and we'll keep the chance of wet weather around even as we go into your Wednesday. Some of the heaviest of the rain might transition to the east. How much rain can we see? This particular model says that over the course of several days, we could see maybe up to about 3 inches of rain in some areas, other areas closer to about 1.5 inches, maybe up to 2 inches. At this point, I'm going about 2 to 4 inches, but this will mainly be for a stretch of days, not just for one day that we will see up to 3 or 4 inches in one location. Just remember this: turn around, don't drown. Okay, we have very dry conditions out there, and I think with all the rain that we are expecting, our ground probably won't be able to take care of some of that. So turn around, don't drown. You never know how deep that water really is. But as we track the timeline, Sunday through Wednesday, most of North Texas will have an opportunity to see periods of heavy rain and the potential for some flooding or flash flooding, and 2 to 4 inches of rain not out of the question. We're going to be fine-tuning these numbers, and we could potentially be issuing some first alert weather days to give you a heads up, because this is something that we haven't seen in quite a while. Temperatures in the 90s right now at DFW, and as we look ahead with the first alert 7-day forecast, you'll see the cool down. I mean, check this out. 88 degrees for Sunday, temperatures near 80 into Monday. Some forecast models saying the upper 70s. How about 82 going into your Tuesday, 84 for Wednesday. So not only do we have cooler temperatures, but we also have a better chance of seeing showers and storms next week.